Hey, how's it going? And today I'm going to show you how to create a customized print string with named colors. And this allows you just to add some variety to your print strings so they're not so boring and there's a lot more flair to them. So it's just a nice little touch, I think, that you can add to break up the monotony of things. So to do this, we can just go to Verse Explorer. We're going to right click, add new verse project. We'll just leave this called Hello World Device, and then we'll just click into it to open the code. I'm going to go ahead and delete this code here, and I already have it here on Notepad. So just click this, Control C, come back in, and Control V. And there's just a couple little things that we need to touch on. For this to work, you're going to need to add two modules. One is the verse.org colors, and the other is verse.org colors / named colors. And then of course this creates the custom device. And here is just your regular print string. So you just have to go print, and then you just write your print string like you normally write it. Then you do comma, then you do question mark duration, the inference operator, 10, so it's assigned to the value of 10, another question mark color, and then you just type name colors and then the aquamarine color or whatever color you want. Now here's what's mind-boggling is if you hold control and click, look at all the colors that you have access to. It's pretty amazing, the variety of colors. So there's literally a ton of colors in here, and of course a lot of them are more exciting than maybe what you've been using. Here's one called wheat. So let's just change that and then see what that looks like. So this just allows you to show, like let's say you're testing something and you're wanting to show, really highlight the contrast between one function doing something and another one printing out. Having different colors would really help you. And then of course you want to change the duration because usually the print string doesn't stay on there very long. And that's all you have to do. So then we'll just come back in here to here. We'll get our device, drag it onto the scene, go to verse, build our code, and then we'll just see what this looks like. I'll be back in just a second. Okay, it's back and we're ready to start. I'll hit start game, and then you'll see our print string is up on the upper left hand corner, and it should stay up there for about 10 seconds, and it is wheat color. So anyway, that's all I had for today. I hope you found this helpful. Take care and have a great day.